Hello, myself Mohammad Musharraf from 7SEM ILC. Today's topic is types of windows. In introduction, windows is an area in a screen defined by a border that contains a particular view of some area of the computer or some portions of person's dialogue with computer. Overview of the presentations focus on exploring various types of windows and their significance in creating intuitive and effective interface. Basic window components. First, title bar located at the top of the window display the name of application or document. Contents control button for minimizing, maximizing, restore and closing the window. Menu bar, horizontal bar beneath the title bar house menus has file, edit, view, etc. Provides access to various functions and features. Third toolbar, typically situated below the menu bar, contains icons or shortcuts for the frequently used actions. Other quick access to common functions contain area. Main region where the information or content is displayed can include text, images, form, or the other interactive elements. Occupies the central part central part of the windows. A status bar located at the bottom of the windows display status messages, notifications, or contextual information. May include indicators for task files loading or saving. See scroll bar, vertical and or horizontal bar on the side or button of the window facilitates the navigation through content that executes the visible area. Allow user to scroll up, down, left, or left, right. Understanding these basics component is essential for the listening efficiency and user-friendly interface. Types of windows. Main windows. The primary window that contains the main content and the features of an application. Represent the core interface where user interact with applications functionalities. Second, dialog box. In dialog box, a secondary window that appears to gather user input or convey specific information. Typically used tasks like selection, setting, or alerts. Third, pop-up windows. A small temporary window. Temporary window that appears on top of the main interface. Other often used for notifications, tooltips, or context-specific the information. Model window, a type of window that requires user interaction before returning to the main interface, prevents interaction with other part of applications until the model task is completed or dismissed. Floating window, a movable and reusable window that can be positioned anywhere on the screen, offers flexibility for users to customize the workspace. Utility window is a specialized window that provides tools or utilizes often detachable or dockable commonly used in the design software for features like layers or colors ladders. Wizard window guides user through a step-by-step process, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps. Each step is presented in the separate window to specify the user experience. Document window display displays a specific document or files, allowing user to view and edit its content. Multiple document window that can be opened simultaneously in some applications. Primary window, main interface. The primary window serves as the main interface where users interact with the core features and the functions of application. Content display. It displays the primary content such as documents, data, or main application functionalities. Navigation often includes navigation elements like menu, toolbar, or sidebar that help user move through the different sections of applications. User feedback provides feedback to the user, including status. User feedback provides feedback to the user, including status updates, alerts, or notifications related to their actions. Customization allows user to customize their view or adjust settings that impact the overall appearance or behavior of the application. Accessibility should be designed with the accessibility in mind, ensuring that users of the abilities can easily navigate and interact with the application. Consistency maintains a consistent layout and design to create a choice user experience throughout the application. Window management handles window management tasks such as minimizing, maximizing, or closing the application. Task focus emphasizes the primary task and workflow that users are likely to perform within the application. Consistency maintains a consistent layout and design to create a host user experience throughout the application. Window management handles the window management tasks such as minimizing, maximizing, or closing the application. Task focus emphasizes the primary task and workflow that users are likely to perform within the application. Secondary window. In secondary window, contextual information often display supplementary or contextual information related to the content or task in the primary window. Dialog box includes dialog boxes, pop-ups, or modal windows that promote user for input, convey alerts, or provide additional options without navigating away from the primary window. Tool window can function as tool window housing specific tools or features that users can use in the context within the primary window. Preference and setting display setting preference or configuration option that users can adjust without leaving the main application interface. Support multitasking by allowing user to perform secondary action or view additional information while still interacting with the primary content. Drag and drop facilitates the drag and drop functionality, enabling user to transfer information or objects between the primary and secondary window. Temporary views may appear temporary to show details, views, or expanded information when triggered by user action within the primary window. Models model secondary window can be either modelless, allowing interaction with the primary window simultaneously, or model requiring interaction before returning to the primary windows. Alert and notification display the alert notification or messages that inform user about events or changes in the applications. And user assistance answer has a space for providing user assistance and tooltips or help information related to specific elements in the primary window. Effective use of secondary window and contributes to more versatile and user-friendly interface, allowing user to access additional functionalities or information without disrupting the workflow in the primary window. Conclusion: a recap of primary and secondary windows. Importance of throughout Windows design in enhancing user experience. Remember to use visuals, icons, and concise to bullet points to keep the slide engaging. Customizing the presentation based on your audience familiars without your design concepts.